video today with chicken and get back with another one. Already opened like everything up, but like we're starting with this. It's a little dirty. It's okay. I'm thinking I should stick with this pink I had before. And I'm gonna be making this one right here. So let's see if we can do it. Let's hope. Oh my god, I keep messing it up. Okay. What else do I need to do? So I need to do the same thing, but in dots. How many dots? Okay. Oh, wrong way. It's the thicker one. That should be good. Okay. It's sort of coming together. Okay, next one is white. No, red. This is scary. This is so scary. Oh my goodness. I don't want to mess up. Okay. Right when I said that. Eh. Okay, it's kind of coming together. There we go. Doesn't this look so cool? Like, it looks like it's actually spinning. Like, look at the edge. It looks so cool. Okay, the next dots are some white dots. Okay. I'm quiet. I got that. Oh no. Okay, this is why we don't do this. No, we're just gonna have to throw away these instructions because this is not turning out good.
My name is Claire, and today is the worst day of my life.
Okay.
My dad has lost his job.
Let's hope this doesn't stain my fingers.
I only have one day to say goodbye to the ones I love. One last day to say goodbye to
Okay, that's good.
so-called world.
Let's just close the red.
That's right, Gumball and Darwin. Gumball is devastating, inhumanly beautiful. His face is like a classic painting crafted by an old master.
Who are you?
I didn't realize it yet, but these two were the true heroes of my story.
The first person I needed to say goodbye to was my only true friend, Wilson. Wilson always struggled with his identity.
But Gumball and Darwin would help Wilson find himself.
It was going to be a tearful goodbye. But I knew that with the help of Gumball and Darwin, I get to it now, while I still have the strength in my heart.
That girl is crying out for our help.
No, she isn't. You're only getting involved in her story so you can get the center of attention, and as usual, you'll ignore anything like it's no. No.
Mercy is getting a friend more.
Like I said, let's give this girl all the help she needs to stay here and help.
Oh, Wilson, where's the goat?
This is not showing up that good.
You know what I'll do without you. The cheerleader in me is so.
Give me that! Give me that! Give me that! What does it smell?
But at the same time, the dog in me is all like, whatever.
That should be good. The next row. Don't make it on the table. The next row is orange. Okay. Let me wipe this off with the instructions because I don't have any napkins around me. Okay.
This is not about you. Not about you!
Okay.
As I walked into the distance, I realized that whilst I had lost one friend, I had gained two, who were far superior to the other one. I mean, what was he supposed to be anyway?
Next, I had to say goodbye to the person who taught me everything I know about geography, Mr. Cornet.
It's cool. Shakespeare once said, writing is such sweet soup. Becoming sweet and sour.
I wanted to thank you, Mr. Cornet.
You only remember one thing I've taught you, it's this. Question.
Why?
No, don't question it. Question everything he said.
So it's question everything unquestioningly?
Yes, I think.
But what am I going to do without you?
As long as you carry that book I gave you, I'll always be watching over you.
Like, you mean the spirit?
No, turn it over.
There you go. The next one I'm gonna do. Okay, that's very difficult. But I could. Okay. Okay. I got this. Second palette.
Well, let's try that again, but with a more proactive attitude. Now,
Okay.
you see the difference between fighting the odds and just moping them? Mr.
That.
Cornet, say something!
Bruh. I don't know, my hair's gonna be orange. Okay, that camera doesn't work. I ruined the canvas. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just use another canvas.
So now it was time for the hardest goodbye of all. Jerry, the love of my
Okay. Let's start again. Attempt number 2 with my finger. Okay. So, and this time let's do it on my own.
This is not a story with a happy ending, okay? It's a story I write in my diary using my tears as ink. You think you live in some amazing magic wonderland where everything has a happy ending?
Okay, let's just restart.
Truth is,
You know.
real life. Things happen in real life.
Okay. Let's start fresh. Okay, there you go.
My eyes dropped pearls of sadness as I saw
There we
my
go.
past drift away into nothingness.
Okay.
I saw the swings where Wilson and I shared so
Now
much.
for the outside ledger, I'm going to
Where Jared gave his heart to me.
like
picket
this
fences on the
blue
streets.
in here.
Streets I walked 1,000 times.
Let's see if it
House,
works.
it's for sale
Oh my
sign
God.
mocking me from the front lawn.
I am so cuckoo. I need to turn the camera down.
Nice houses. Houses in which I'd never again laugh. In which I'd never again cry. But what about
There.
you, brothers lost?
It looks better. You know, it looks
Maybe it
better.
doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
Anything now.
Let's do the blue.
The only thing left to do is stare at the rain. So I guess this is it. Goodbye, Elmore. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, life.
Ew. Okay. It's like a stamp. But okay. Should be working correctly. There we go. It looks cute. You can kind of see different colors. Okay, the next color I'm gonna do is, you know, I'm gonna try to fill that in right there. Kind of, okay. Now I'm gonna use white for like the outside, kind of. Okay, we're sort of there. Just use the tinier dots. I'm gonna put them like, how should I put them? Put them on the inside of the dots. There, right there, there, right there. I see a lot of pink. Oh my God. Hi. Bless you.
Thank you.
I kind of messed up. There's red paint on this brush. Oh, I need to put there, okay. Oh, this one's very wonky. But okay. Well, this one's a little wonky, but it's okay. It's okay. This one's a little wonkier than the rest of them, but it's fine. Last dot. There. It's kind of cute. Okay, now what I'm gonna do next, is it's gonna be, I'm thinking like a light pink. There you go.
Tastes like my backwater. We need to stop eating things that aren't food. And also eat less food. Thank you, really. You know, I never had anyone to share that kind of nostalgic mission with me. Also, violence, thinking it comes right after breathing without concentrating. What I mean is, I hope you won't mind if I call you Dad. Well, since this is already awkward, it's a good time
Ugh. Okay, it's kind of going well. Next layer, let me see. And the next layer is going to be, I'm gonna do it between the pink. I'm going to be doing a dark pink.
It's messed up. You were supposed to be our grandpa, but now you're our adopted brother, which makes your bride your grandma and your future daughter-in-law your mother.
Almost done. Okay, there. You know, it's going well. Like, I like it. Okay, the next layer I will be doing is okay, I got it. I'll be doing white, like in the bottom of here, like right there, right there, perfect, right there, right there, perfect, perfect, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Oh my god. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
My Geico motorcycle policy can cover my helmet.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, I'm getting colored. Oh, I forgot. You do it right here. There, good enough. Okay. I'm definitely taking a shower after this. So I'm almost done. It's a little wonky in the top, but it's okay. I'm gonna be doing a purple. I'm gonna be doing a light purple. And then a dark purple. And then I think that should fill it up. Oh my god. Why do I always do this? Like that. This sort of works. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. You know, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Good, you didn't leave. I gotta wipe. Okay, let's start again.
Once upon a time, there was a quiet little village in the French countryside, whose people believed in Frankie.
Okay. Okay. Now let's do dark purple. I'm only going to be doing it on the where it fits. If there is that they don't fit, I'm not going to be putting it there or on it.
And if you happen to forget,
Okay.
someone will help remind you.
The season of Lent is upon us. This is, of course, a time of abstinence. Hopefully also a time of reflection. Above all, let this be for us a time of sincere penitence. It is a time to stand up and count.
In this village, if you saw something you weren't supposed to see,
There we go.
if by chance your hopes have been disappointed,
Perfect.
learn never to ask.
Okay. I just need to do some final touches, but look how it turned out. Like, yes, queen. So I fixed the camera. But first, we just clean these things up. And then they end up with a bunch of dried paint on them. And who wants a bunch of your art supplies to be filled with, you know, your old paint? I don't.
Where would we find truth? Where do we start looking? Where would we find truth? We will find it.
Okay. Let me do my last part. Let me get some water first. I gotta make this perfect. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys subscribe and a like and get this. Let's see. I'm a beginner YouTuber, so let's at least get this to 100 views. At least 100 views.